Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on the two ways to record phone calls on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if the first option does not work out for you, or the call recording feature is not available on your region for your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, then you can go ahead and try the second option. So by default, to record phone calls on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, as soon as the call comes into your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and you receive it, or as soon as the other person from the other end receives it, in the case of an outgoing call, all you want to do now is to just tap on the more option on the bottom right, and then you're going to see the call recording option. I currently do not have it because call recording is not yet allowed for Samsung phones in my region, but if it is allowed in your region, as soon as you tap the call recording option, the other person will be notified of the recording and your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra will start capturing everything on the call. On the other hand, if you are like me that do not have the call recording feature from over here and you want to be able to record phone calls, you can try downloading a third-party application for this. Head over to the Google Play Store. You want to go ahead, tap on this search icon and then search for the app known as Cube ACR. And this is basically the application. Select it and then download and install it into your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Once the app is downloaded and installed, all you just have to do is to open it up and set it up. So tap on the next button over here, give it all of the permission it requires. So click on grant while using this app, allow, click on OK, click on turn on, just give it all of the permission it requires and then grant every request as well. And once you get to this page, just tap on the cancel icon at the top left, tap on it again, and then tap on it the last time. Now, once you get to this place, you want to tap on the more option over here, then scroll all the way down. Now, if you scroll down, we actually need the Cube ACR helper application. So tap on the Galaxy Store option over here. And this is going to redirect you to the application on the Galaxy Store. Click on the install button from over here. And once you have the application as well, tap on open, next, grant permission as well. Click on why using this app, allow, and also click on the enable app connector. Go over to installed apps and then at the top you're going to see the Cube ARC app connector. Select that and make sure it is turned on from over here. Click on OK, then click on OK from over here, and now you're good to go. At this point you want to go ahead and open up the application, and finally to record incoming calls or outgoing calls, you want to tap on the record button over here, and then you just want to go ahead and make your call or receive your phone call. And as soon as you receive the call or the other person from the other end receives the call, your call will now be recorded by the Cube ACR application. Once you're done recording, all you just have to do is to tap on the end call button. And now if you go back to the application, this is the application over here. You can literally see my recording. I can go ahead and play directly from here. If you find this tutorial useful, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.